doing that.
Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Everybody, we are heading to Busco. I was really hoping to go ahead and already have this video going by now, but it's been pouring rain, like a good, I'm gonna go a good inch or so. Like I was driving like 50 miles an hour in the 4 lane. We finally got out of rain. We're about 40 minutes from Busco, so we're almost there. My friends are already there. They said it's not raining that much there, and it looks like the weather's going to clear out for most of the day. I think around 4 or 5 o'clock it's coming back in, a little bit of rain, so we'll probably get a good amount of riding today. At least I hope so. I don't mind getting a little wet, people. I mean, I just have to use a different camera because the GoPros is going to get covered. Anyways, I will catch y'all there, and hopefully it's not raining. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are finally here and ready to ride. I got the Can-Am loaded. The Rancher was going to be for us, but it won't run. It's flooded for some reason. So we're going to take the Can-Am out and hopefully not break it. So I'm going to slap on the GoPro. Why even waste time? And I'll catch y'all in a second with the GoPro. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. I hope y'all can hear me. I've never wore a camera on the front of a helmet. I don't think I've ever wore a helmet since I started the channel. But we're here at Busco. We got the old Polaris that blew me up last time. So hopefully I got the camera right. I don't know. I don't know how good these tires are going to do today, but we're hoping for the best. Sadly, the Rancher was going to be the fourth one we drove today, but it's broken. I guess it's flooded or bouncing around. I probably should have ran out of gas, but anyway, she's sitting there and hopefully she'll get metal. He's trying to cover me. My bullet just doing that. Talk about it. Damn engine brake stopped the same time. That's what I stopped it. All of a sudden she goes like this. I said, engine brake, calm down, calm down. Forward drive, forward drive. Don't make the can. Oh. Back up, try again. Oh. You got it. Wait, what is that? Oh, hang on. Hang on. Woo. You just didn't hit it with it. I should have been in four-wheel drive. Yeah, I was about to say, that's what got you. Hold it, hold it. You didn't give it enough gumption. You got to bounce out of there. My turn. Stop. Well, that's the way you're supposed to do it. I told you to put it in low before, did I not? I said, hey, go ahead and put it in. We found out that the Can-Am was a little better that time. But a lot of it just has to do with he did not send it. He was in high and dual drive. I'm going to give him a break this time. It is so slick out here. If you let go of the throttle, the back end just goes whoop, whoop. Look at the water moving though. I hope y'all can see just how I am not going in there, that's for sure. Holy crap, holy crap, we're running too much, we're running too much. The back end is coming way around. This is why I need a cameraman. I actually had a cameraman today who was coming with me, but sadly he ended up having to walk. What the crap? Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, dang it. This is my type of ride right here. Nice and wet and everybody's fighting. What? Oh, you're going down? Hang on, just in case. You know, one thing I find interesting about Busco, if you watch people's videos, they're always only at the pond skimming or maybe at the 50-50 hole. Like people just, you don't really see this part of Busco. Like there's so many good mud paths and trails and holes. And all you see is most people just do like, especially like a guy I know right now who's coming, he's a pretty cool dude, but all his videos are him skimming at the pond all day. I ain't saying he don't ride, stunk again. Holy crap! How does it keep doing that?
I guess I had to pull you forward a little bit, don't I?
Yeah, I can't do anything until I get out of this hole now. Damn. A little bit. It's so slick, you know, everybody's just stuck. Go, go, go! Ah! Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we sunk the Can-Am, so we're getting pulled back. Hopefully we can unsink it, so yeah. If not, hopefully the Honda starts, because that thing was being a piece of crap all out.
Eventually.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, after unsinking this thing, thought we had it was running good. Started driving it, and now it's dead as a doorknob again. I don't know what happened. I don't know where the water is. We flushed it. We ran it. It was running good, idling good. Took it for a little spin, and this is just where she died. So I think we're just going to go ahead and take the Honda for a ride. Hopefully she'll run, because she wasn't running over there. But this is pissing me off, because she was running perfect. After we went ahead, went through everything, got her running. Now she's just like nothing. Red one is just hitting it a lot harder than this Renegade here. I don't know why. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think I forgot to record an outro for the Force Can-Am video, and yes, it sunk. We did flush it out, and I don't know what's wrong with it. I thought maybe a charging issue, because every time the fan would cut on, it would cut off and like act like it was dead. But we came back, it started right up. So we're like, hey, maybe we can drive it. I drove a little bit, and it drove, but it didn't have no power. And then all of a sudden, it just cut off, and my belt started smoking. So I don't know. There was no water ever on the top end. I checked it. There was no water. I don't understand what's going on here. So we got to some diagnosing to do. I'm a little mad though, because like I like it when I know what's wrong with it. I got plenty of compression, and I can probably go to it right now and start. I'm thinking maybe it's in the clutches, like maybe when the clutches get hot. But I didn't get no water in the belt box though. That's what's confusing me, guys. Like there was no water in that belt box. Oh, sorry about the sun. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and well, you guys are gonna love the next part, because we beat the crap out of the Rancho, and let's just say we stayed stuck technically, but we were third gear, it was pulling everywhere. People were just staring like, what is that noise? Because we lost both the head bolts. They just fell off. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. Well, I sunk the foiler for y'all. Well, technically, it just, I should have idled it up. It's my fault. I knew it should have been idled up. It was, yeah, it just cut off in the hole, and that's it. Anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one where we beat the crap out of that Honda Rancher at Busco. I will see y'all then.